The first step is to open our referral link. If you see a referral code in the URL, as well as a bonus amount on the screen, your bonus has been successfully unlocked. Enter your phone number and then select Next. If you for some reason would like to change the city you're applying to, you can do so on the next page. Enter basic details like your name, email, and city you'd like to drive in. If you'd like to change the city, you can do so by simply entering the city name in the box. Once a new city is selected, you will notice that the bonus amount has changed. As mentioned before, this is because every city has their own incentive structure. Lastly, ensure that promo/referral code appears in the box. This is necessary to verify at this point, as Lyft cannot retroactively apply a referral code after you start driving. We suggest taking a screenshot of this step during the application. Congratulations, your referral code has been successfully applied. Click Submit and then finish the application and account verification process, and that's all there is to it.